Istanbul Airport Transfer, everything you need to know. Istanbul is a bustling city with two major airports, Ataturk Airport and Sabiha Gokcen Airport, servicing millions of passengers every year. Navigating through the city can be overwhelming, especially when trying to get to and from the airports. That's where airport transfer services come in handy. Airport transfer services in Istanbul offer convenient and reliable transportation options for travelers. From private shuttles to taxis and even public transportation, there are plenty of choices to suit every budget and preference. Whether you're traveling solo or with a group, there is an option that will cater to your needs. When booking an airport transfer service, it's important to consider factors such as pricing, availability, and the quality of service provided. Researching and reading reviews can help you make an informed decision and ensure a smooth and stress-free journey to or from the airport. In conclusion, Istanbul Airport transfer services are a convenient and efficient way to travel to and from the city's airports. By choosing the right service for your needs, you can enjoy a hassle-free experience and focus on exploring all that Istanbul has to offer.